into alleged war crimes in Ukraine.
For alleged acts of genocide against its Rohingya Muslim minority.
33 forced disappearances in Kenya last year.
Opinions amount to torture.
These are very grave human rights violations and abuses that amount to serious crimes under international law. Victims and survivors of such crimes have a right to remedy. The international justice system provides different pathways for holding perpetrators accountable before courts of law. But what is international justice and how does the system work?
International justice means ensuring accountability for serious international crimes in national or international courts or hybrid courts, combining national and international elements. It focuses on individual criminal responsibility rather than the responsibility of states. The international justice system is still changing and has many parts.
National courts should be the first resort for trying international crimes.
For example, courts in Guinea and the Balkans have heard cases related to serious crimes under international law that took place nationally.
National courts can also operate under the principle of universal jurisdiction, which means that they can prosecute individuals for crimes under international law, no matter where the crimes were committed and regardless of the nationality of the suspects or their victims.
A recent example of universal jurisdiction is the conviction in a German court of a former Syrian intelligence officer for crimes against humanity in Syria.
The International Criminal Court is another key element of the system. It is a permanent court that can prosecute individuals for these crimes when national courts do not.
In addition to the ICC, other international and hybrid tribunals have been established to investigate and prosecute such crimes. Increasingly, the UN's top civil court, the International Court of Justice, is taking a more active role in holding states accountable for treaty violations that concern serious international crimes.
Wherever trials take place, courts and authorities need to ensure meaningful justice for victims. This includes communicating about proceedings with affected communities to ensure justice is seen to be done. International justice takes time, and there are many accountability gaps to fill. However, these trials are essential to protecting human rights and preventing future violations.
International justice goes hand in hand with other measures to address harms, such as reparations for victims and their families.
To learn more about human rights, keep watching our series, and don't forget to share this video.